Good morning. It's another day here in St. Petersburg. The plan for today is to go to Hermitage Palace. Then we have boat cruise along the canals of St. Petersburg. For the palace, I'm not sure if makakapasok tayo because now it's quite late and it's Saturday. People tend to queue very early, especially yung mga matatanda, may mga discounts, and I'm not sure if they can accept cash sa my automated machine. So I'm not really sure about it, but for sure na ang cruise because I bought it online. Good thing there's one website na nag-work ang credit card, so yeah, I was able to secure a ticket. Look, it's a different route, see? I came from there. Look. Nice, no? That's me. Look, ang ganda. I hope I'll be able to get in. No? I don't even know where's the entrance. So, itong building na to. Building talaga, hindi mo lang palasyo. Alright guys, finally, nakapasok na tayo. Grabe ang pila. Pumila ko ng, what? 10 o'clock? Wala ko nakapasok. Oh, diba? This is the grand staircase. I bought only the main complex. Ito lang importante. Amazing, oh. Sige, tingnan nyo lang. Manood lang kayo dyan. Ako bahala sa inyo. O, diba? Ate mo, oh. Wow! Very... Oh, grabe ang details. Ha? Ito pa si AC Bonifacio, eh. Kita si AC Bonifacio. Ayan, oh. O, diba? Wow! Namangha. Parang sa Versailles, sa France. Oh, nag-France ka na. Amazing, oh. What a grandeur. Grandeur! Kaya ba yan? Nag-shampoo lang? Ano to? Audio guide? No, I don't need audio guide. Whoa. Grabe, no? Oh. Well, I think, pare-pareho lang naman itsura ng ano, no? Mga museum sa loob. I don't really have time. Parting na lahat. But look. Oh. Assassin's Creed. It reminds me of Assassin's Creed, no? A paired pistol from the dueling set. Duel sila. Huh? Galing, galing, galing. Galing. I'm amazed. Ito yung mga sword, oh. Oh, diba? Sino naman to? Siya si a known artist, portrait of Alexander the First. Oh, siya pala si Alexander the First, no? Oh, diba? Yung mga Russian maiden, ganun. Yung mga sa hardin. Oh. Parang iba yan, parang porn ata yan. Sino naman to? Siya si portrait of Mikhail Yuryevich Lermontov. Anak siya ni Joanne. Apo siya ni Mario. Ha? Wow. Gold room. Amazing, no? The Library of Nicholas. Sino naman si Nicholas? Cage? Ah. Ganda, no? Remind me of Versailles talaga sa Paris. O, di ba? Mabasag ko kaya yan. Magkano ganyan? Wow, ganda. Di ba? Oh, di ba? Chill pa rin. Ano bang ano? Sayin natin. O, di ba? Pwede ka ba? Unang panahon, ano? Wait lang. It is, wait, pasahin ko sa inyo. The Rossi Room. Ako magnanarrate. The Rossi Room, the furniture pieces exhibited were designed by the well-known architect Carlo Rossi. Besides mansion and architectural ensembles, he was concerned with interiors, designing furniture, vases, and lamps. Yun lang. Kita ko ha. Ito yung mga Russian na babasahin. Ang translation English yan lang. It's a scam. O, diba? Mga relo. Ba't ibang mga relo pala dito? Ano kaya yan? Ba't ka nagbabasa? Nagbasa ka kasi. Oh, ha? Ang ganda. Pahingahan. Okay, basahin natin ha. Drawing room. Okay, sige. Wow, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Parang library mo. Library nila. Ganda, no? Oh. Ano ba yan? Parang nanonood. Dito na si Kiko. Si Francis Magalong, andito na si Glock 9, wala siyang apelido. Andito. Wall carpet. Wall decor. Decor. Comment down below. Decor. Puro ulo na lang ni siya, ha? ang nare-record ko. Ang galing, no? Amazing. Pag tumatanda na tayo, no? Pag tumatanda na tayo, konting lakad lang napapagod na tayo, ano? Explain pa niya.
Который и прежде славился своими механическими диковинами, в полной мере удалось поразить русскую императрицу.
Ito na pinakagrabe. Pinaka-gold na room sa complex na to. Oh, amazing, no? The detailed work. Amazing. Just mga magandang rooms dito. Wow, ganda, no?
Нафоткала нас красивым будуаре.
Ayun, nakalabas na tayo ng Hermitage Winter Palace. Sumakses ang pagbisita natin sa Hermitage. Yeah, maaga pa. It's, I think, 1 hour lang ako doon sa loob. 1 hour na pila, 1 hour sa loob. Then, 12:16 na. So by 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock yung boat cruise. So yeah, maghanap tayo ng makainan. Siyempre, maybe coffee lang siguro. And some croissant. Si Napoleon pagod na. Oh, di ba? Mga Russian girls. Naka-costume. Whoa! Check! Hermitage Palace. This is the second largest art collection museum. Tama? Wait lang, magkano? Mahal, 349. 500. The same price sa entrance sa museum. Ang price ka hotdog. Ang nakikita dati, sa mga TikTok, di ba? O sa Facebook. how he make the art, no? I'm happy that I was able to do it today. Actually, tinatamad ako bumangon kanina. But then, it's worth going here. But then, ayaw ko lang yung pila. I went there very early just to make sure na maaga tayo sa pila. Very happy for today. And now the plan is to find a coffee shop. And by 4 o'clock, meron tayong river cruise. Yung group 1 nagpa-practice ang group 1. Galingan yung group 1, ha?
Чем желаете? Ладно, самое. Тебе сейчас надо говорить.
So ito yung in-order natin. May dalawang meat, rice, veggies, tubig, tsaka fruit juice. Naka 500 rubles tayo. Kahapon naka 400. So, di ba mura lang? No? Kantin lang, kalendarya. No? Kain tayo. Alright. Yung juice. Wala lang. Veggies. No. Ito, chicken sa to. Parang pork. Ito, pork. Sarap. Itong may itlog. We are here in St. Isaac's Cathedral. It took 40 years to construct. Can you believe that? Namatay na lang si Alexander I, hindi pa siya natapos. Bata. May mga yellow people and mga, diba? May karosa ni Stella. Hala, may bayad. Hala, may bayad. Kano na naman to? Dito na tayo eh. I got the museum only for the St. Isaac. I didn't pay for the extra for the colonnades. I don't know. Maybe it's upstairs to see the whole city. I don't know. Let's see. I don't have enough. I mean, I have, but it's 5,000. Ayoko siyang ma-change. Grabe mga pila dito. May pila sa ticket, may pila sa entrance. Oh, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Oh my God. Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda. Amaze. Oh, beautiful. Amazing. Ganda, oh. No? Ang galing. Galing, sobrang galing. Oh, nanay will love this. Guys, bumili ako dyan. Bumili ako nito. Bumili ako nito. Tsaka yung kandila. Magsisinda ako ng kandila. Let's go. Beautiful, oh. No? What is this? Let me read. The Great North Gate. 42 square meter over 20 tons. Oh, amazing, no? Alright, so doon tayo. Tawid tayo doon sa tulay na yun. Malayo naman. So hanap tayo ng kapihan dito na may CR. $2.28 na. Dapat by 4 o'clock, we have to reach that area sa other side of the canal. River? Bank? Ha? Comment down below kung ano na lang. So we are going that area. Grabe ah, kapoy. I need rest. I need to rest sa park. Nice, no? Nakatingin sila. Hanap tayo ng ibang kapihan. Check muna natin yung dock. I found a food court here. So let's find some coffee. Nakaihi na rin ako. So yeah. Waiting for my coffee. So nag-order na ako ng, ayan na pala yung kape ko. Nag-order ako din ng shawarma. May toothpick pa kasama. Hap. May itong yung ano, wrapper. Yung parang bread nila. Harap. I'm done eating na. Nag-CR na rin ako, so I'll show you the whole food court. Daming mga option. Merong may mga alakan. Ito, healthy-healthyhan. Ito parang Indian. This is Korean. Ang dami. Oh, diba? They're into Asian food. Italian, pizza, meron. Oh, may tumutungga. May nainom na nga ng beer, oh. Yan, mga cakes, pastries. Ito, parang Taiwanese drink. Ito, mga poke bowls. Daming option. Ito, mga dried fruits and peanuts. Shawarmahan. This is where I had my shawarma. Then, actually mga fresh kung gusto mo bumili ng mga isda. Look, kalaba. And then ito, manok. Mga meats, no? Alright, amazing. I'm glad I found this shop. Are you glad also? Or is it me only? Yan, so let's go na to the dock. Doon na tayo mag-antay. Anyway, the time is 3:36. 4:15 is the cruise. So, dapat 15 minutes before we should be there. No? Simple lang ang part din, no? Wala masyadong mga coffee shop. Tapos, meron lang isa doon pero lahat andun na yung food court, yung pinuntahan natin just now. No? Simple lang. Alright, so let's go to the dock and have my receipt to be converted. Palitan natin yung ticket natin ng boarding pass. Diba? May pa-boarding pass. Ayun. Papalitan ko. Ang ganda. Ang ganda niya. Oh.
One ticket.
One ticket.
5 minutes before departure, you go on the boat. Name of the boat, Palmyra.
Palmyra.
Yes.
Where it will be?
Туда.
Okay. But later, right? For?
Yes, 5 minutes before departure.
Sorry?
5 minutes
Ah,
before departure.
Thank you. Thank you. So this is the dock. Sumakay na yung, I think the name of the other cruise is Astra. Mine is Palmyra. Yeah, waiting. Russian flag, oh. Waiting na lang. I have 10 minutes left to vote. PBB. Nakapwesto na tayo. Pulaga. Anak siya ni Mian. Apusad siya ni Josie. We are moving na, guys. See? Wow. Amazing. We were not able to do this in Moscow, but here, St. Petersburg is special, no? Can hear me. We're done with the cruise and we're done for today. That's it for the itinerary for today. Time now is 6:17 in the evening. So I'll walk home. Siguro it will take like 30 minutes max. And yeah, that's it for today's video. See you tomorrow. It has been fun listening to Oasis right now. Stand by me, and that is my view. That is the Winter Palace we went to this morning. And yeah, just walk straight. It's a very nice city, walkable city, safe, clean, very good vibe. So I guess only until here, no?